Well, thank you once again for joining Super 24 TV. Information we are saying to her now was a blog on Super 24 TV. Pass your own subscribe to this channel. Our Daroma now we're hitting the red subscribe button. Now your group family know together. Akuapem Poloo, the latest person now audience in Biabetuja regarding sex. Or say 3 years untimintena without sex. As a mono or the kind. Okana a dentina or casa at the contra or casano, ye de emunchrimuno ebro. Wow, uti wow, heavy. I don't know whether you can afford for 3 years without sex. Is it going to be possible for you or not? Well, Akuapem and we in those days watching your mouth music, celeb take your major and photo so or that the bedroom now we'll put it on to say the obviously all my doggy. Yes. Now this one is a location or Koteẹ na ultra scene na ubi ehwe ho ewo adwaye. Akuapem is quite a cute girl and a very sexy young lady. This is also a convert or a Muslim. Na ni busane about ni prisoner or Koteẹ no a whole lessons ni ade unya obeka say oteki a naked picture with nepa. Yes, but Okova na queer kumano so a fear kumano so. It is about the two jano. Ma menkochire ma kochire ewo njuri ma menfama. Or say if you want to have sex when you get there prison, no, you won't get it. It is true you can't have sex. Yes, if you are spending 26 years, you are there. You can't have sex. Yes. So no say sa prison pa de obesa ko bi malala because okoha unya chakadum enye. I say that is why you should stay away from trouble because of your freedom has been taken from you. Just imagine you'll be there for 3 years. I can wait 3 years without sex. So what I say I can wait there without 3 years without sex. Not a sex type, but I can't wait 3 years without sex. Though me being there for 3 years, 4 years, I might overthink and slim down for people to say that Poloo couldn't survive prison. So there are some of the disadvantage of going there, and Akuapem Poloo said. So Akuapem Poloo is about kind of same. Although the 3 years pass or better no, won't be without Koteẹ. Sex chakadum ya ne Ghana for ma and Ghana for mema atiatisa and nkra obia enona it seems to control much of the youth. Sex obviously Ghanaian youth have much lazy pacho me do be see ya unsubscribe ya wadama subscribe.